I am Pushami
And I am Shrutika
from class 8E. Today, we are here to give a seminar on the molecular models of solids, liquids and gases. Solids, they are made up of tiny particles known as molecules, and they can be also assumed as tiny rigid balls. They have a strong intermolecular force of attraction, and the intermolecular force of attraction is the strongest in solids. The separation between the particles, that is intermolecular space, is not very much in solids. The particles of solids can only vibrate to and fro in their mean positions.
Liquids. Liquids, like solids, liquids are also made up of molecules, but they are not as rigid as solids. Intermolecular spaces in liquids are more than in solids. Intermolecular force of attraction in liquids is least than in solids. Kinetic energy in liquids is greater than in solids. Liquid molecules move in the boundaries of the vessel they are kept in. Gases. Gases, like solids and liquids, gases are also made up of molecules, and they are assumed to be like rigid, elastic and homogeneous balls. The intermolecular spaces in gases is the most. Intermolecular force of attraction in gases is the least compared to all particles of matter. The molecules of gases move freely in random motion.
Today, we are going to demonstrate a small activity to show that molecules of matter have intermolecular spaces between them.
For this activity, we need a measuring cylinder and some salt.
First, pour some water in the measuring cylinder until 400 ml. Now, and add some salt into the measuring cylinder. Wait until the salt gets completely dissolved in the water. You will notice that there is no decrease nor increase in the level of water. This is because the molecules of salt get adjusted between the spaces of the molecules of water.
This activity proves that every particle of matter has intermolecular spaces.
Thank you.
I'm Daksha.
And I'm Ashita
from grade 8E. Today we are going to explain you about the characteristics of matter class 8 physics. So first we are going to explain you about molecules of matter have space. That is the first characteristic of molecule. So here if we observe the diagram of solids, solids have less space in between. The molecules of solids have less space between them. They are packed tightly, and when we go to liquid, they are packed less tightly, have more space in between them. And when we come to solids, they have much more space when compared to solids and liquids. There is mostly like much space in between them. Now if we this space between the molecules is called the intermolecular space.
Molecules are in the constant motion as they possess kinetic energy. We are going to see solids. Solids were packed very tightly in their mean positions. They possess kinetic energy, whereas liquids and gases, they have enough space to move around. Molecules are extremely small, representing the smallest unit of the substance that retains properties.
Molecules are very much small in size, that their size is 10 power minus 10 meter, that they cannot even be seen with the microscope properly. Now they have a specific mass, definite three-dimensional shape, and can be polar or non-polar, intersecting the physical properties of the state of matter.
And now spacing. As we see in the spacing is less in solids, and as we compare to the liquids, solids have less space and liquids have more than the solids. Gases, we can see they move in random directions. Attraction. Molecules exhibits attraction due to the intermolecular space, which raises electrostatic force. Thank you.